Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate smart switches with Home Assistant Cloud. Complete guide step. To authenticate smart switches with Home Assistant Cloud, begin by ensuring you have Home Assistant installed on your local server. Access your Home Assistant dashboard through a web browser. Log into your Home Assistant account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the sidebar and click on Settings. In the Settings menu, select Integrations. Locate and click on Home Assistant Cloud. If you haven't already, sign up for a Home Assistant Cloud account and log in. Once logged in, enable the Home Assistant Cloud integration. Next, check the status to ensure it says Connected to confirm proper authentication. After the connection has been established, go back to the Integrations menu. Locate your smart switch device within the available integrations. Click on the smart switch to open its settings. Follow the prompts to authenticate the smart switch with the Home Assistant Cloud. You may need to enter specific credentials or tokens provided by the smart switch manufacturer. After entering the required information, save your settings. Return to the dashboard to verify that the smart switch is. Test the functionality of your smart switch via the Home Assistant interface. Make any necessary adjustments to the configurations as prompted. Once everything is functioning correctly, you are now done with the authentication process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.